What's up, guys? Gene from RMD Garage here. We are all set up at the Syracuse National Show. I'm hoping that you guys come by, spend some time with us. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Doors open at 8 a.m. and of course Saturday and Sunday. See you.
94.1, 95.3, 103.9, The Dinosaur welcoming Ralph Holguin to our studios this morning. How you doing there, man?
How you doing? So good to be here. Thank you for having me.
I'll let you tell everybody what RMD means.
Yeah, so RMD is actually it's the Ralph's Mobile Detailing, and it was really from my humble beginnings and starting as a car wash.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ralph Holguin, host of Velocity's very own RMD Garage. I'm standing right here at Syracuse Nationals, what is Media Day, and I'm super excited. We started the tour in Minneapolis, and then we made our way over to Wisconsin.
Welcome, RMD Garage, to Syracuse Nationals.
Let's get her to go. At 200 now to the border. At 200 now.
Hey everybody, we're really excited to have Ralph from RMD Garage. You can see behind me here, the fans are going crazy to meet him, get his autographs, take pictures. Thanks everybody for RMD Garage and the whole team for coming by, for bringing the West Coast flavor to the Syracuse Nationals.
Hey, what's up guys? Ralph Holguin, RMD Garage, standing right here at Syracuse Nationals inside the Meguiar space. Again, if you guys gonna use the best, you gotta go and reflect your passion with Meguiars.
Praising me on some of my stuff, and I said, no, Chip, you are the man. Gene is the man. They've set a path for us, and I'm a student to this. That's all I am, and I hope to do it justice. I hope to do it right. I appreciate you guys very much.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Ralph Holguin, host of Velocity's very own RMD Garage. And I gotta tell you guys, this is the last day of Syracuse Nationals. It's coming to a close and we've had such a great time. Most of all, I want to congratulate the winners of the Gene Winfield Award. I mean, guys, that Lincoln is absolutely stunning and beautiful. I want to thank the community for coming out, hosting us, and really making us feel at home. So on behalf of myself, my entire team, and everyone back in Long Beach, RMD Garage, we love you guys. See ya!